Rene Bong Hawkins Jr., born November 6, 1967, is a Filipino retired professional basketball player of the Philippine Basketball Association (PBA). Nicknamed as the Hawk, he is the son of character actor Rene Hawkins, Sr. Hawkins played for the Perpetual Altus in the basketball championships of the National Collegiate Athletic Associations in the late 1980s. Perpetual reached their first ever finals in 1989, losing to eventual champion San Sebastian Stags. His No. 12 jersey was later retired in February 2026. In his first full season with Alaska in 1994, Hawkins led his team in both scoring and rebounding as he was the hands-down choice for the league's Most Improved Player award. He became an integral part of Alaska's success starting the mid-1990s, alongside Jojo Lastimosa, Johnny Abarientos, Pac Juinio, and import Sean Chambers. In 1996, the Milkmen became the fourth team to win the PBA Grand Slam, and Hawkins was named to the Mythical Five for the second straight season. The Hawk won 9 championships with Alaska until the 2000 PBA season. After the 2005-06 PBA season, Hawkins retired and worked for Tim Cohn as one of his assistant coaches. During the 25th anniversary of Alaska on September 27, 2010, his number 16 was retired along with Johnny's number 14. He was snubbed from the PBA's 40 Greatest Players list. Hawkins was invited to be on the coaching staff for the University of the Philippines Fighting Maroons men's basketball team. Hawkins also played in exhibition games after retiring, including one in Saudi in 2012. One against a selection of former NBA stars that same year, and one with former and current Alaska, Pure Foods, and Ginebra players in 2015. For more interesting personalities, please do watch our other Who's Who series. Please like, share, and subscribe. Welcome to the amazing world of 1000 Vlogs.